Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a severely beaten down small cap where Vijay Kedia's Kedia Securities Private Limited has bought 2,50,000 shares at Rs 490 yesterday. Now friends, we also run a couple of very successful Telegram groups and channels where we have significantly outperformed the markets. Whereas in the investing group, we have around 20% returns. On the trading group, we have almost doubled our money. If you want to go ahead and join our Telegram groups and channels, please open a completely free Upstocks Demat and trading account through the link provided in the pinned comment or in the description of the video. You can also choose to become a channel member or become a patron on Patreon. Also, those using the coupon code FLIPKART500 while opening their Upstocks Demat and trading account till the end of September would also be entitled to a Rs 500 Flipkart voucher. Please watch this video to know more about this stock. Now the company in question is Newland Labs Limited, which is available at Rs 497.80 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is NEULANDLAB. Now Newland Laboratories Limited is engaged in manufacturing active pharmaceutical ingredients, that is APIs. The company also provides custom manufacturing solutions to develop and manufacture pharmaceutical ingredients and intermediates. Its geographical segments include Europe, India, USA and the rest of the world. Now, as is evident from the 1-year chart, this company had a beautiful run till about the middle of the year, but since then has been on a downward trend. The market cap of the company is 638.67 crores, which means that this company is a tiny small cap. The EPS of 16.64 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 29.92, which is largely in line with the industry price to earnings ratio of 28.17. The price to book ratio of 0.91, however, is very cheap. The company has a dividend yield of 0.24%. Whereas the promoter holding is below average and stands at 35.90%. 4.34% of the promoter's holding is also pledged. Now friends, this stock has significantly corrected from its 52-week high and does provide a huge margin of safety. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all of the content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.